Hi friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Gmail account permanently. Deleting your Gmail account means you'll lose your whole Google account, which includes YouTube, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Remember to save any important stuff before deleting, and it means to lose access to other Google services. Okay, let's go to remove a Gmail account. For this, sign in with the Gmail account you want to delete. Click your profile icon and choose Manage your Google account. Click on Data Privacy from the left-hand section. Scroll down to Data from apps and services you use. Before deleting your account, you have the option to download your data. You can click on Download your data to save any important information you might want to keep. Under Download or Delete your data section, click on Delete a Google service. You might be asked to enter your password for security purposes. Okay, click on the bin icon. Now you need to provide an alternate email address where Google can contact you about the deletion process and send verification message. You can't use a Gmail address. Google will send a message to this email address to confirm. Click the link in the email to delete your Gmail account. Now sign in the Gmail account you want to delete. Check the box I want to delete my Gmail account permanently, and then click on Delete Gmail. As you can see, it's done.